How to submit, unsubmit, print, and archive organizers. Manage and organize your client data, giving you more control and efficiency in your workflow. Let's start with submitting organizers for clients. Though organizers are typically submitted by clients themselves, you can also submit them on their behalf. There are a few ways to do this, whether the organizer is fully completed or not. First, you can achieve this from the Organizers page. If the organizer's status is pending, you can click on the three dots to the right and then select Submit. This can also be achieved directly from the pipeline when moving a job with a linked organizer to the next stage and selecting the Submit option under Resolve. You may need to unsubmit an organizer for various reasons. For example, you might need additional information from the client, or you may have accidentally submitted it. To unsubmit, go to the Organizers page and click the three dots to the right of the organizer's name. Then select Unsubmit. A slide-out will appear where you can enter a reason for unsubmission, which will be shared as an additional comment with the client. Once done, click Unsubmit Organizer. Once the organizer is unsubmitted, its status will change to pending, and an email notification will be sent to the client. If you included a comment, it will appear in that notification. Next, let's move on to renaming organizers. By default, an organizer's name matches the template's name. You can change the name either when creating the organizer or later on. To do this, click the three dots to the far right of the organizer's name and select Rename. Now let's go over how to print organizers. You can print either a single organizer or multiple at once. To print one organizer, whether it's pending or completed, click the three dots to the right of the organizer's name in the list and choose Print. Your browser will then prompt you to print the organizer. If you want to print multiple organizers for a client, open the Organizers tab in their profile and click the print icon at the top right. Note that unanswered questions won't be printed by default. If you wish to print them, open the organizer and toggle on Show Unanswered Questions or Show Hidden Questions. Now let's move on to archiving organizers. Once an organizer is completed, it's often a good idea to archive it rather than delete it. Archiving allows you to keep access to it, but it will no longer be active. When you archive an organizer, it can't be sealed, exported, printed, or submitted. Additionally, you cannot make edits to it. To archive an organizer, select the checkbox and click Archive at the top left. If you want to archive more than one, you can select them all together and repeat the same step. The organizer will then be moved from the Active tab to the Archive tab. Keep in mind that clients won't see archived organizers in the Waiting for Action list. If you need to make an archived organizer active again, go to the Archive tab, click the three dots to the right of the organizer's name, and select Restore. Finally, let's cover deleting organizers. Unlike archived organizers, deleted organizers cannot be restored. If you want to permanently remove an organizer, click the three dots to the far right of the organizer's name, select Delete, and confirm by clicking Delete again. Note that deleting the organizer doesn't affect the original template.